If the checkered flag is the only flag you know about, it's time we fix that. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kea, your unofficial F1 translator, and this is Flags 101 because clearly waving them isn't just enough. So I wanted to talk about a little something before we start with the actual video. I've gotten a lot of requests to make content on MotoGP, and I cannot make content on that because I don't watch MotoGP yet. Yeah. But yeah, feel free to comment about any F1 related video that you would want to watch. And anyways, getting started with the actual video. Now we're going to be starting easy with the green flag because it's the only flag that does not come with trauma or a penalty. The green flag is basically F1's way of saying the track is clear, time to send it. It shows up at the start of practice or qualifying or any times where things were suspicious but now they're allegedly safe again. It quite literally means go. Go race, go fast, go feral. It's the calm before the carnage. 1 minute it's go time and the next it's a full stop. Welcome to the red flag. Now this one means stop. Like actual stop. No racing, no overtaking, no funny business. The red flag gets waved when things get real. Crashes, broken barriers, unexpected track construction, or rain that straight up feels personal. When a red flag is waved, the drivers have to slow down, they cannot be overtaking, and they have to either head back to the pit lane during a race or to their garages during a qualifying or a practice session. Now, it's not really common, but like when the red flags hit, they hit. Up next, we've got F1's favorite mixed signal, the yellow flag. A yellow flag basically means caution. There's something on or near the track that could ruin someone's day. Spins, crashes, random debris, marshals running around like it's a gym class. Take your pick. There are two kinds of yellow flags. First is the single yellow flag. Now someone had a little spin or left car parts as decoration on the track. So when the single yellow flag is waved, you're not supposed to overtake, you're supposed to slow down a bit and you have to show that you've actually lifted off the throttle. Don't fake it. And if a driver doesn't follow the rules that were previously stated, then in qualifying your lap time gets deleted and in the race a future grid penalty. Yikes. Now the second flag is the double yellow flag. Okay, now this is where things get serious. There might be a car blocking the track or there might be marshals on foot. This is full slow down now energy. A driver can't overtake, obviously, and you have to hit the big lift. Be ready to stop completely if needed. And if you don't respect it, in qualifying there's usually a 5-place grid drop. And in the race, a savage 10-second stop and go penalty. Like park your car, wait, and then rejoin. Okay, now we're heading over to yellow flag's cousin, just a little funnier. The yellow flag with red stripes. This one isn't about the crashes or the cars. It's about the track in itself being a little shady. You'll see this one being waved when there's oil, water, or just general slipperiness on the surface of the track. Unlike the regular yellow flag, this doesn't always require the drivers to slow way down, but it does mean that you have to stay alert, grip is a myth, and no dive bombs, please. Consider this as a mild warning before someone does a pirouette. Now time for the white flag. No, it's not a sign of surrender, but it's just a heads up that someone forgot what a gas pedal does. The white flag in F1 has just one job: to warn you that there's a slower car ahead. You'll usually see this when someone is on a cool-down lap, a driver is heading to the pits slowly, or a car has a problem that hasn't fully died yet. From slow cars ahead to get out of the way, it's time for the blue flag. The blue flag is waved when a faster car is about to lap a slower one. It's not really a suggestion, it's a gentle but firm reminder that you're no longer the main character in the moment. You don't even have to be a full lap down to trigger it. All it takes is two things. Number one, you're already behind in the race, aka you're a back marker. And number two, the faster car is less than 1.2 seconds behind you on the track. It's not asking you to hit the brakes or ruin your own race. It just means don't fight the inevitable. Make space, stay clean, and let them through. If you ignore it too many times, you get a penalty and you get judged by the entire internet. You'll also see this flag when someone is coming out of the pits and a car is zooming past at full speed. It's just a heads up to not crash immediately. It's not personal, but it absolutely feels like a call out. Time for the flag that doesn't warn you, it deletes you. Black flag energy. The black flag is the ultimate "you're done here." It means you've been disqualified from the session or the race, and you have to head straight back to the garage. It is not a team decision, it's not a suggestion, it comes directly from the stewards. And when they wave it, it's too late. This flag is very rare, which makes it 10x more dramatic when it actually shows up. It's usually for major rule breaking, dangerous driving, or ignoring multiple warnings like the FIA doesn't exist. The car number shows up right next to the flag, so everyone watching on track, on TV, and on Twitter knows exactly who just got booted. Rare? Yeah. But subtle?
Absolutely not.
The black flag ended your race, but the black flag with the orange disc gives you a chance to save it, if you can fix your cursed machinery in time. It's shown when your car has a mechanical issue that could be dangerous to you or everyone else on the track. Think loose bodywork, broken front wings, smoke, sparks, or something flapping that shouldn't really be flapping. It comes with the car number right next to it, so there's no pretending that it's not about you. You must pit and get it fixed as soon as possible. If the team can repair it and it's safe, then you can rejoin the race. If not, it's done, your race is over, garage time. And no, this isn't optional. Ignore this flag and you'll get a full black flag. From mechanical drama to unsportsmanlike drama, we're entering the black and white territory. This flag isn't about the car, it's about you. It's for the unsportsmanlike behavior. Think of moving under braking, blocking, forcing other drivers off track, or ignoring track limits like they're not real. You're not really getting a penalty yet, but the FIA is absolutely side-eyeing you. You only get one of these per race. Do something again like this, penalty. So technically, this is not a punishment, it's a pre-punishment, and the clock is ticking. Waving a flag is cute and all, but at such high speeds, you might need it in 4K. So say hi to the flag panels. Flag panels are the digital LED screens that are placed around the track which show the same flag warnings, but they're brighter, faster, and impossible to miss. You can find them at the key points in every circuit, like the braking points, the pit exits, and anywhere FIA thinks that chaos might erupt, which is everywhere. They're synced with the marshals. So let's say if a yellow flag goes up, that same yellow flag appears on the panel in real time. They're especially helpful at the night races or the rainy races. So yeah, lights, fabrics, penalties, F1 flags really said multi-sensory chaos. And that was your F1 flag survival guide. You now speak fluent flag and you know when to panic. If this helped your F1 brain cells grow even a little bit, like, subscribe, and do turn on post notifications so that YouTube doesn't ghost you when I post the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.